Today we got this Yamaha Big Bear. It's a 96 model, and I've been riding it the other day, and excuse me, and the clutch has been slipping. Now, it hasn't been slipping a real lot. It's been slipping a bit when it's been under pressure. So in the book, we've got a 12mm spanner and a flathead screwdriver. So what it says we've got to do is we undo the nut, back it off, and in the book it says what we do is you turn this in, wind this in, right, like that, and what it says is to wind it back out until you feel resistance. Alright, I feel resistance here. Now, what it says next to do, after you feel resistance, is turn it in 1/8 of a turn. So, yeah, turn it counterclockwise. We mount it back out until you feel resistance. So, we've already done that. So, now we feel resistance. We turn it 1/8. So, if it's on, say the clock's 1 o'clock now, which is on here, so it's 1 o'clock, it says we turn it to 3 o'clock, and that's 1/8 of the turn. Then all we do then is do it back up carefully. Right, and that's like about 14 foot-pounds. You don't have to do it up tight, but it will turn a little bit, so I've got to adjust it now. Now the next test will be to take it for a ride and see what the clutch does. So to adjust the clutch in it is you back this nut, undo it with a 12mm spanner, wind the thing complete, wind it right in until you feel no pressure, then back it out until you feel resistance. Then you turn the nut, turn the flathead piece 1/8 of a turn, so 1/8 clockwise, and do the 12mm nut back up, and that's it, you're done. That's how you do it. I'll take it for a ride and see what it feels like, and if it still slips I'll just give little adjustments as I go on the go. But that's what it says in the manual, how to set the clutch. Now how it works is it's got a basket. I'll give you a quick explanation how this works. So what we got here, you've got a centrifugal clutch in behind this. So when you take this, not this cover off here, the whole thing's got to come off. You've got a centrifugal clutch like a chainsaw clutch. So it's got a clutch that expands out, and it's got a drum that catches in, and when the clutch expands out, that locks up the primary clutch basket, which is driven off the back of this centrifugal clutch by a gear. So that's how the automatic works. So when you turn the quad bike off, you'll hear the clutch still spinning, the centrifugal clutch, and it'll go bang. You hear it, it'll make a whizzing noise, and it'll go bang, and then we'll stop because it's on like a one-way bearing. But that's how it works. So you've got a centrifugal clutch that makes it automatic. If it didn't have that, you'd have to have a clutch lever, what you pull it in, and use the change the gears by hand, like pull the clutch in and out every time you want to change it or to take off. But yeah, that's how it works. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment, and have a great day.